Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we will know about why is your iPhone overheating. Causes. The iPhone has become an essential device in our lives, offering a multitude of features and capabilities. However, many users have encountered a common issue, their iPhone heating up. So let's start. If you have ever felt the back of your iPhone scorching hot or noticed it draining battery quickly, you are not alone. In this article, we will explore the reasons behind this problem and provide you with effective solutions to fix it. So, first of all, iPhone overheating. Common cause of iPhone overheating up: high CPU usage, intensive tasks like gaming or running resource demanding apps can cause your iPhone CPU to work harder, generating excess heat in the process. Software glitch. Second reason, when your software glitches, bugs or capability issues within the operating system or specific apps can disrupt the device's normal functioning and leading to overheating. Third one is battery related issues. Aging batteries, battery drain due to background activity or faulty battery components can contribute to excessive heat generation. There are some steps to stop overheating. Close unnecessary apps. Running multiple apps can overwork your iPhone processor, leading to overheating. Close any unused or resource intensive apps running in the background to reduce the strain on your device. Second is unplug phone. If you are charging your iPhone while it's overheating, unplug it from the power source. Charging your device generates heat, so disconnecting it can help cool it down faster. Third is check battery usage. Excessive battery usage can contribute to iPhone overheating. Navigate to the Setting app and select Battery to view which apps are consuming the most power. And it is very important step, consider limiting the usage of power hungry apps or optimizing their setting. Number 4 is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary software glitches that may be causing your iPhone to overheat. When the slide to power off slider appears, press and hold the power button. Your smartphone can be restarted by pressing and holding the power button once more after sliding it to turn it off.